Overwhelming.
Overwhelming. Very great or very strong, so powerful that you cannot resist it or decide how to react. For example, the evidence against him was overwhelming.
Palm. A straight tree with a mass of long leaves at the top, growing in tropical countries. There are several types of palm tree, some of which produce fruit. For example, a date palm.
Party.
Party. A social occasion, often in a person's home, at which people eat, drink, talk, dance, and enjoy themselves. For example, a dinner/tea/cocktail party.
Pepper.
Pepper. A powder made from dried berries, called peppercorns, used to give a hot, spicy taste to food. For example, season with salt and pepper.
Pet. An animal, a bird, etc. that you have at home for pleasure, rather than one that is kept for work or food. For example, do you have any pets?
Picture.
Picture. To imagine somebody, something, to create an image of somebody, something in your mind. For example, picture somebody, something.
Pirate.
Pirate. Especially in the past, a person on a ship who attacks other ships at sea in order to steal from them. For example, there were reports that a pirate ship had come looking for treasure in the cove.
Plate.
Plate. A flat, usually round, dish that you put food on. For example, sandwiches on a plate. Poem. A piece of writing in which the words are chosen for their sound and the images they suggest, not just for their obvious meanings. The words are arranged in separate lines, usually with a repeated rhythm, and often the lines rhyme at the end. For example, his collected poems were published after the war.
Poisonous. Causing death or illness if swallowed or taken into the body. For example, poisonous chemicals/fumes/plants.
Pool. An area of water that has been created for people to swim in. For example, an indoor, outdoor pool.
Pose. To create a threat, problem, etc. that has to be dealt with. For example, to pose a threat/risk/challenge/danger.